Hey Artland, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw a cartoon sandcastle. So to start off with this, I'm going to begin right here on my paper, and I'm going to draw a little line that goes up over here, and then a little line that goes up right here. Then I'm going to draw a line that goes over and then down, and then same thing over here, just kind of go over and then down. And then I'm going to go over, I'm going to go up, over, down, and then over like this, just to make the top. Now, starting here, I'm just going to connect it with a little line. And then I'm going to make a little door on here. So I'm going to draw a little line that curves up and down, and then I'm going to add a little curved line like this to make it look a little three-dimensional. Now, starting at the top here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up, and I'm going to do that same thing that I did over here. So I'm just going to kind of add that same little pattern, just kind of like a bunch of little squares. And then I'm going to draw a line that goes down, and then I'm just going to connect it. Then I want to do that same thing over here. I'm going to try to make it the same height, and just kind of add those little kind of square patterns to make it look like a castle. I'm going to go down and then just connect it. Now, up here I want to make a little bit bigger wall. So I'm going to start at the top right here, and I'm going to draw a line that goes up. And then right over here I want a line that goes up. And then I'm going to do that same kind of square pattern all the way across here. So I'm just going to kind of make these go all the way across and then just connect them. Then starting here, I'm going to draw two lines that go up. Make them go a little bit higher. And then I'm going to just draw a little line that goes across the top. And then I'm going to make this into kind of like a triangle shape at the top. Now at the very top, I'm going to add a little line. And then I'm just going to make a little wavy line that comes to a point and then goes back for like a little flag. Now, I want to add some details onto here. So I'm going to make a little sad face right here, and then a little line across, and then put another little curve in here for like a window. I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'm just going to add a couple little windows on each side. And then I'll add those little lines in here just to make them look a little bit more realistic. Now right here I want to put a shell. So I'm just going to draw a line that goes up, it's going to curve around, and then it's going to come down and just connect. Then I'm going to add a little line that curves over here, and then a little line that curves over here. And then I'm just going to add a couple little lines going down here just to make it look like a shell. Now, right here I want to make some more sand. So I'm just going to draw a little line that kind of curves down on each side. And then I'm just going to make a little kind of wavy line right at the bottom here to connect them. Now, the last thing I want to do is I want to put a little starfish over here. So I'm just going to make a little line that kind of curves up and down. I'm going to make one that does the same thing here, and then the same thing over here. And then I'm just going to draw one that goes down and up, and another one that does the same thing here for a little starfish. And then there's lots of other things you could add. You could put a little bucket over here. You could put a little shovel for making it. You can do whatever you want to, but I'm just going to leave mine like this. And there you go. There is your drawing of a sandcastle. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.